Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I got something here I bet you ain't never seen before, unless you watch American Pickers, maybe you've seen one. But I bet you ain't seen one in person. This is we think it's about a 1953 Nash Healy with the Italian Pininfarina body on it. What engine's in this, Robbie?
It's a straight six overhead valve. I don't know what the displacement is. It's got two carburetors on it.
Oh, there we go. Oh, it does have two carburetors, yeah. So would this be a Nash engine?
Yes, it's a Nash overhead valve 6.
So who did the intake?
It was done with Nash.
Oh, was it really?
Yeah, even in the Ambassadors you could get two carburetors on it, but they were closer together. This is a Nash Healy head though.
Are those Carters?
I'm not sure.
They look like Carter. Look,
yeah.
It's something Carter would make.
Yeah.
Cool, Robbie. Thank you, buddy.
Yep.
Now, what transmission would we have here?
I'm not sure who made the trans. It's a 3-speed.
It's a 3-speed on the floor?
Yeah, on the floor, yeah.
Okay. Man, look at this, won't you? And how many you think were made? 516,
I think.
516.
The first year they had an aluminum body and it was different styling.
Right.
But from 52 to 54, they had this body that was hand built by Pininfarina.
Okay.
Pininfarina also bodied the Ferraris and other Italian cars. That's cloisonne. This badge is cloisonne. It's like a ceramic.
Really? Speaking of Pininfarina, are they the ones that did the Pantera Ford Pininfarina?
I don't know about that. I don't think so.
Okay.
But they did the Cadillac Alante,
a
more recent car.
Not one of their
They did the
honorable moments.
Fiat Spiders and.
Right.
But
And you say this was to put the jack in?
The jack goes in that hole there. They don't recommend doing it because it stresses the body a little bit, but that's what it's made for.
Now she's sitting on a Dodge crew cab ramp truck. We'll get into that a little bit later, but I want to show you the car first, folks. And you say this Dodge truck, y'all used it to haul cars for years, huh?
Hundreds of times.
So it's got 200 badges, so it's a 3/4 ton.
I'm not sure.
I believe so. Well, let's focus on the car right now, folks. Check out that mirror. By the way, I want to thank this gentleman for letting me video these cars. He's here with me now, and he's super nice, and he's been letting me do the videos. And you know, we're a bunch of car guys. We're having fun out here doing this stuff. I'm bringing you guys some really cool stuff, and I hope you enjoy it. I know I sure am. Look at these tires, man. It's like petrified. They almost rock hard. This is a great body. Good Lord.
I believe that might be the original tires on this.
Really?
There's a movie called Sabrina.
Check out this one, Bobby. Look at this one on this side. Look how this tire is done.
Oh my!
See there?
How about that?
I've never seen a tire do that.
Huh?
I didn't mean to interrupt you. What were you talking about? The movie?
I believe it's the movie Sabrina with William Holden, Audrey Hepburn, and Humphrey Bogart.
Right.
They these two multi-millionaires dated Audrey Hepburn in the movie.
Really?
And they drove this during
this particular car?
Not this particular one.
Just one of these. I got you.
Like
I got you. Okay.
There were about 4 movies that carried Nash Healy's in them.
Really?
And also Superman, the original George Reeves Superman. He also drove one of these. His actually the actor's girlfriend bought him the car.
Really?
But he drove
How about
it in
that?
the Superman series.
That is cool. Okay. All right, folks. So there you go on the old Austin Healy. Now we're going to move on and do the Dodge truck. And the reason we're doing the Dodge truck is you don't see many crew cabs, and you don't see many. That's a crew cab with a ramp back, and you certainly don't see many with an old Healy on the back of them. So with a Pininfarina body. So we're going to show you the little Dodge truck right quick too. Like I said, it is a crew cab. Oh man, look at the taillights. The taillight bulb. Are those Impala?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like 65.
Yeah, cool. Very cool truck. That door ain't gonna open. Yeah, it says custom 200. I believe that's a 3/4 ton. It's old 10 grill, folks. I know you like the 10 grill Dodges. Well, there you have it. It's got a nice grill in it. Headlight bezels look good. What size engine's in this?
318, I think.
318, really? Now, what's going on with the valve on the...
That's the air tank.
Oh, okay.
So you can fill up tires that are
Yeah, I got
low.
you. Yeah, I got you. Okay.
They have a compressor on it too, I believe. Air compressor.
Yeah, it would have had to have an air compressor. Ain't gonna be able to get into this side, folks, but you get the idea. We don't want to spend a whole lot of time on the Dodge, but I just thought it was cool to see a Dodge crew cab ramp truck hauling a Pininfarina Healy on the back of it. That's something I haven't never seen before, and I bet you haven't either. So, all right, Robbie, thank you for letting me see this, buddy, and videoing this. All right, folks, Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll continue to bring you this cool stuff. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos.